Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download webinar assets from ON24 for LinkedIn follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ON24 account. Navigate to the Webinars tab in the main dashboard. Select the specific webinar from which you want to download assets. Once the webinar details open, look for the Assets section. Click on the Assets tab to view all available materials related to the webinar. Identify the specific asset you need, such as slides, recordings, or promotional materials. To download a slide deck, click on the slide file name. A download prompt will appear, usually allowing you to save the file directly to your computer. For webinar recordings, find the video file listed in the Assets section. Click the recording link to open the video options. Select the download option provided, if available. If there are any additional promotional materials, review the list carefully. Click on each relevant asset to download them individually. Ensure you save all downloaded files in an organized folder for easy access later. After downloading, review the files to confirm they are complete and accessible. Keep in mind any naming conventions that may help you during LinkedIn follow-ups. Once all assets are downloaded and organized, you are ready to proceed with your follow-ups. These files will enhance your engagement and provide valuable content for your LinkedIn connections. Now you're prepared to make effective use of your webinar assets in your follow-up strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.